Hello. Today I will give you information about Microsoft Office couldn't install error fix error code 02048 and 02054. Microsoft Office can sometimes give errors. Fixing these errors is quite simple. If you want to receive such useful videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. If there is a problem, search for services from the Start menu. Then find Windows Installer. Right-click and then click Start. Then you can close the window. If you have installed Microsoft Office, uninstall it. To do this, right-click on the Windows symbol and select the installed applications at the top. Then search for Microsoft Office and remove all applications from this panel. Finally, visit the Microsoft official website and re-download the applications. This will completely eliminate the problem and you can use the applications without experiencing an install error.